at that sun out there. Oh, it's really nice. Hmm? Oh, hey. Hey, you. What's wrong? Oh, you're having a bad day? I see. Well, we all get bad days sometimes. Oh, I mean, I can't tell you, how many times I've had bad days. Oh, hey. Hey, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. There you go. Okay. Now, I know you're having a bad day. But, but this bad day will be over and there's a better tomorrow. And, if tomorrow doesn't go so well, then, there'll be other days. 'Cause hope is never lost for you. Well, hey. Hey, look at me. What's going on through your mind? You feel like you're losing hope? Come with me for a second. Excuse my English. Okay, now I want you to look out the window for a second. Do you see the sun out there? Yep, it's right up there. Yeah, look at all that beautiful nature. Do you know what that's a sign of? That's a sign of hope. Specifically to you. No, I'm not being silly. I find that as a hopeful thing. 'Cause, is anyone, happy on a cloudy day? Well, I'm sure there's some people that are, but I personally don't get happy on a cloudy day. It makes me feel better to, look at, the sun and, how beautiful nature is. So I think that nature is trying to tell you something. That there is hope for you, even on your worst days. So don't doubt any of that. Okay? I'm here for you. Yeah, nature is beautiful, isn't it? The grass and the trees. Everything's beautiful out there. That's why, when I lose hope, I just look outside and see what nature says to me. No, that doesn't mean that, on a cloudy day that there's no hope. It just means that, there's a tough spot going on right now. And, the sun will come right back out. And there'll be hope again. So don't ever think that you're losing hope or anything like that, because you will get to the other side, no matter how tough things are. Aw, I see you're starting to feel a little better. Well, it's no problem at all. That's what a bodyguard like me is here to do. Here's a hug. Come here. There you go. There you go. That's it. Oh, it's starting to shine brighter now. Look at that. It's shining right on you. Isn't that cool? It's giving you all the love right now in the world. Lots of warmth and comfort. So not only you can feel my comfort, but the nature's comfort as well. Yeah, don't worry. I'm always here for you, any time of the week. Oh, I'm glad you're starting to feel better. Well, I'm off to doing, some other stuff with my brother, but, I'll see you later, okay? Alright. Just keep that sun in mind, okay? Alright, awesome. Alright, I'll see you later.